Hello everyone, I am Dr. Danish Sarin. Today we are going to discuss about different COVID tests. If I am infected with COVID-19, what test should I do? When should I do the test? When to repeat the COVID test and how much is the accuracy of this test? So we will try to discuss each one of them. There are 3 COVID tests which are currently available. One is molecular test, 2 antigen test and 3 antibody test. In molecular test, there are different types: RT-PCR, TrueNAT, CBNAT. All these technology basically works by extracting the genetic material from the swab obtained from the nasal cavity, and it is amplified and then analyzed by a special software which can rightly pick out COVID-19 virus. So gold standard test for COVID-19 is still RT-PCR. It takes around 6 hours to 24 hours to obtain this result, but CBNAT and TrueNAT is a bit more faster in providing the result. You can get the result by 6 hours also. The second is antigen test. It uses the same sample from the nose swab, but analysis is done using a card method. The sample is placed on a specific card with chemicals on it, and it can identify the presence of the COVID-19 virus. It is similar to a urine pregnancy kit. So this is fast test, as report can be available in 30 minutes to 1 hour time. Last test is antibody test. COVID antibodies in the body are of 2 types, IgG and IgM. These antibodies are made by our body as an immune response against the COVID-19 infection. IgM can be identified from our body around 3 to 7 days from the start of COVID-19 infection, while IgG can be found about 10 to 14 days of infection. These antibody can be detected in our blood by using a card method, just taking the blood and using the card method. So this method is not used to detect the COVID-19, as there will be a delay in finding the infection, and it's only done for checking the immune response of the patient. So the next important question is when to do the test. So we can do the test on any day if we are actively showing symptoms, and the best test to do is RT-PCR. So in case if there is no symptoms but with a history of contact with a positive case, ideally the 6th day from the contact with the positive person, you can do the test. You can do an RT-PCR, so you can find out. Lastly, let us just know the accuracy of this test or the ability of this test to rightly detect COVID-19 infection. In case of RT-PCR, it is 97 to 98% accurate if your RT-PCR is positive. That means 97 to 98% you are truly infected with COVID-19. But if your RT-PCR is negative, there is 70% chance that you are truly not infected with COVID. But there is a big 30% that you may be still infected with COVID-19 but not detected in the COVID test. So this is why we repeatedly say that if you have symptoms but have an RT-PCR negative, it is still very important that you must remain in quarantine, as you are very likely to spread this infection to other people. So now about the antigen test. Antigen test, if it is positive, it has around 97% accuracy to say that you are having a COVID-19 infection. But if the antigen test is negative, you still have around 40 to 50% chance of still be infected with COVID-19 but undetected by the test. So in summary, when you do a antigen test, if the test comes positive, we can say that you have COVID-19. But if the test is negative, we cannot say that he does not have COVID-19 infection. So lastly, a big question: when to retest after your first positive COVID test? So in general or in practice, there is no role for the next negative test. Like in typhoid, once positive, after your symptoms are over, there is no retest required. Similarly in COVID-19 also, your symptoms end there, means there is no need to do another test, because sometimes the test may not show the presence of COVID-19 infection, as the virus might not be present in the nasal cavity when the test is done. And the accuracy of these tests are not that high. I just discussed the accuracy. So after 14 days of symptoms, you can mingle with your family. There is no problem. And after 1 month, almost 28 days, if it is over, you are considered relatively safe and recovered from COVID-19. So this is the important message people should understand. Kindly share this valuable message with others, as there is lot of doubts and myths regarding the COVID-19 test, when to do them and when to repeat the test, how much is the accuracy. So this message should be clearly understood by the people. We'll try to do more videos. Kindly share this information to other people. Take care.